We completed this division chapter. Then next one chapter in your textbook, this second semester syllabus. Only 2 chapters remain in regular math. Next one chapter, 15th one, pictographs. Pictographs. See in your textbook page number is 83. Page number 83. What is mean by this pictograph? Here graphs is given. Graph is given by picture type. Graph is given by picture type. See this picture type. Then this is called as this pictograph. See this in your textbook here. Nursing Vishal, Viraj, Hima and other students went to the village fair. The fair had a variety of these games and the students had a lot of fun. There were different types of these shops at the fair, some selling these toys, some food and some clothes. Naturally there was a crowd of these children near the toy shops and these food shops. Then you see here, this Paranjit did not go to the fair. He asked Vishal which props are there, how many. Vishal showed him a table. Here some students, they went to the village fair and they had a variety of in this fair, this variety of games. The students had lot of fun and there are different types of these shops, food items, toys, clothes and how many shops there. Here given one table. See here types of shops and here number of shops. Means food items how many? 5 shops, toys 3, clothes 2, other 5. This data is given here. This data is used, draw here on the picture. You see, Nursing made this table for attractive using these pictures and it is called as this pictograph. Then you make here 2 columns. Here one column is type of shop, and here make number of shops. See this, here food items. How many food items here? 5. Then you draw here picture of these 5 shops. You know shops. In this type of these shop you draw here pictures 5. How many here? 5. See here 5 pictures. Then here toys 3. Then you draw here shop 3. Clothes here 2. Means here same pictures you draw here. Then what do these pictures mean? One picture stands from this one shop and there are 3 toy shops. There are how many toy shops? 3. So there are 3 pictures here. Suppose there are a lot of shops. Will you draw as many pictures? No. Then see here. Now it is not possible to draw many pictures every time. Suppose there are 25 shops. Then you draw these 25 pictures. No. Every time we cannot draw these so many pictures. Then we pack the mangoes from this one orchard, 24 mangoes to a carrot. When we count this total number of carrots, we come to know this number of mangoes we have packed and we can do this the picture. See here in this park in front of my house there are 40 rose bushes. Here 40 rose bushes. Then it is possible to draw this 40 picture of these roses? No. Then 20 hibiscus shrubs and 30 periwinkle shrubs. I will make a table to show this using pictures here. Here 40 rows? No, only 4 rows. 20 means here only 2 hibiscus and here periwinkle means here 3. Means here one picture shows for these 10 shrubs. One picture shows here 10 shrubs. Means here 40 rose shrubs, but here only 4. Means here one picture shows 10 means 10 for the 40. Then hibiscus you see here this only 2 shrubs. Then one picture shows here 10 10 2s are 20. Then periwinkle, see here only 3 here, but here given is 30 periwinkle shrubs. Then one picture shows these 10 shrubs, therefore 10 3s are 30. Then here you draw this picture of this rose 4, hibiscus only 2, and periwinkle 3. Then see next one picture. Chairs were brought for a function in the school, and Nursing presented this information in the form of this pictorial part. Then however, instead of this arranging these pictures vertically, she arranged them horizontally. And let us see what this chart tells us. Here types of chairs given, and here number of chairs, means here picture of these chairs. Then see this type of chair, metal. How many metal chairs? Here only 5, but actually there are 5 chairs. How many? 5 chairs, but here picture only 5, means here one chair one picture this 10 chairs. Here one picture shows here this 10 chairs, means here only 5, means 10 5s are 50. Then here metal chairs, how many? Here 50. Then plastic chairs, you see here how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 means here 80, means one picture shows here 10 chairs. Then 8 10s are 80. Then here wooden chairs only 2. 2 means here 20. Then in the second row 8 pictures like this drawn. It means that there are 8 into 10, 80 plastic chairs. A total of 15 chairs like these are drawn. All these are the 15 chairs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. All these total of these 50 pictures like this chair are drawn, which means that there are this total number of how many chairs here. One picture shows here 10 chairs. One picture shows here 10 chairs. Then here total number of chairs 15. Then 15 into 10 is equal to 150 chairs. Then exercise here, this remaining part tomorrow.